If you are tired of wasting hours manually sanding wood and want a faster, cleaner, and more powerful alternative, it is time to discover the best belt sanders available today. From woodworking enthusiasts to seasoned pros, having the right belt sander can make all the difference in speed, accuracy, and finish. Whether you are resurfacing furniture, smoothing tough lumber, or handling major sanding projects, we have selected the most reliable, efficient, and value-packed options out there. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Brushless Belt Sander. Rounding out our list is the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Belt Sander, a premium option that redefines mobility and power in the belt sanding category. Unlike the other models listed, this sander runs on battery power, making it ideal for job sites or workshops without convenient access to electrical outlets. With its brushless motor, it delivers consistent efficiency and extended runtime that can rival corded tools. This sander offers a generous sanding surface, roughly 17% larger than some competitors, which means faster work with fewer passes. The variable speed trigger paired with a 25-speed selection dial gives you unmatched control, allowing you to match speed with material type and finish requirements. Whether you are dealing with hardwoods or soft panels, the DeWalt handles both with ease. One of the key innovations is its compatibility with the DeWalt airlock system, offering up to 95% dust collection efficiency. That keeps your workspace cleaner and safer, particularly in enclosed areas. Number 4. Metabo HPT 3 Belt Sander. The Metabo HPT SB8V2 is a powerhouse in every sense, designed for serious woodworking tasks that demand both precision and performance. With its 9-amp motor and variable speed control, this sander can handle even the toughest sanding challenges. The speed dial located at the base of the handle gives you the ability to fine-tune sanding speed based on the material, which is excellent for transitioning between different tasks without switching tools. Number 3. Craftsman Electric Belt Sander. The Craftsman CMW 213 is a belt sander that strikes a great balance between power, design, and versatility. What makes it unique is its thoughtful design, especially the angled belt layout that lets you sand closer to adjoining surfaces, ideal for working along edges, corners, or tight angles. With its 7-amp motor, this sander offers solid power for most household or workshop tasks. One of the key advantages here is the impressive sanding speed, maxing out at around 800 feet per minute. That kind of speed means you can quickly remove old finishes or level uneven surfaces with minimal effort. It is especially good for medium to heavy-duty sanding jobs. Despite its power, belt changes are quick and simple thanks to the tool-free release system. You can swap out belts in seconds, which helps you stay productive and reduces downtime. Number 2. WN6321 Corded Belt Sander. Coming in second is the WN6321, a highly respected choice for anyone looking to handle heavy-duty sanding jobs without breaking the bank. With a 7-amp motor, it delivers excellent power for a corded electric tool in its price range. What stands out immediately is how lightweight it feels. Weighing only 6 pounds, it is incredibly easy to maneuver, making it ideal for long sanding projects without tiring your arms. It is a single-speed sander, but the belt rotates at an impressive speed of over 13 feet per second, ensuring rapid material removal. This makes it perfect for flattening wood surfaces or removing old paint. The compact body allows it to reach tight spaces and edges with more precision than bulkier units. Number 1. SKL6 Belt Sander. The top pick on our list is the SKIL 6-amp belt sander, and it earns this position for being impressively well-balanced in power, ease of use, and affordability. At first glance, this tool might appear compact, but it packs a surprising punch with its 6-amp motor. It is well equipped to handle a wide range of sanding tasks, from soft pine boards to harder surfaces like maple or oak. One standout feature is its pressure control system, which is quite intuitive. It gives you real-time feedback by warning you when you are applying too much pressure. This smart design not only prevents material damage but also helps extend the tool's life. Another reason it leads the pack is its microfiltration system, which is extremely effective in capturing fine dust particles. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews.